In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for a Agoda flight using GCash 2025. If you're booking a flight on Agoda and don't see GCash as a direct payment option, don't worry. I'll show you two reliable methods so you can still pay using your GCash balance. The first method uses a prepaid Visa or MasterCard that you can get and fund via GCash. The second method routes your payment through PayPal, which Agoda widely accepts. For the first method, the idea is simple. Buy a virtual or physical Visa or MasterCard that works for online international payments, then load it using your GCash funds. Many trusted providers offer virtual cards that are issued instantly, which is great if you need to pay right away. Physical cards work too, but they take longer to arrive. When choosing, check fees for issuance, reloads, and currency conversion. Make sure the card supports e-commerce and 3D Secure and loads slightly more than your total to cover taxes and small variations in exchange rates. Keep your card number, expiry, and CVC private, and ensure the name and billing address you enter match what the card issuer expects. Next, use the card for your Agoda payment. At checkout on Agoda, select credit or debit card. Enter the cardholder name, number, expiry date, and CVC carefully. If you're charged in a different currency, your card will handle conversion and may apply a small fee, so it helps to check your issuer's rates beforehand, watch for any one-time passcode prompts, complete them promptly to avoid timeouts. If a payment gets declined, double-check your details, confirm you have enough balance, and make sure online transactions are enabled for the card. Once the payment goes through, save your Agoda confirmation for your records. Now, let's look at the second method. This one uses PayPal as the bridge. Link your GCash to PayPal so your funds are accessible, and make sure your account details are up to date. Having your GCash and PayPal identities aligned helps prevent verification hiccups. Be aware of PayPal's currency settings and fees so you're not surprised at checkout. Then log into your PayPal account and complete the transaction. On Agoda's payment page, choose PayPal, sign in securely, review the amount and currency, and confirm. Ensure you have enough available funds or a valid linked source. After approval, Agoda will issue your booking confirmation. Keep an eye on your email and transaction history for receipts and any status updates. That's it. Use a GCash funded Visa or MasterCard or pay via PayPal linked to GCash. Pick the path that's fastest for you and happy travels.